Did you know that sleep is divided into stages? As you sleep, your brain cycles through different stages of sleep, each with unique benefits. There are 4 main stages divided into 2 types. There's non-rapid eye movement sleep and rapid eye movement sleep. Let's break them down. NREM Stage 1. This is the transition from wakefulness to sleep, lasting 1 to 10 minutes. It's your lightest sleep stage, characterized by relaxed brain waves and muscle tone. Though brief, N1 is crucial for easing you into deeper sleep stages. NREM Stage 2. Next up is N2, where you spend about 50% of your night. It lasts 30 to 60 minutes and features sleep spindles and K complexes, which help with memory consolidation and maintaining sleep despite disruptions. NREM Stage 3. The deepest sleep stage, N3, is where your body fully relaxes and repairs itself. Lasting 20 to 40 minutes, it's critical for tissue repair, muscle growth, and memory processing. You'll feel groggy if awakened during this stage. REM stage. Finally, there's REM sleep, where vivid dreams occur. Your brain activity ramps up and your body experiences temporary paralysis. REM is vital for cognitive functions like learning, memory, and emotional processing. A typical night involves cycling through these stages 4 to 5 times, with each cycle lasting 90 to 120 minutes, depending on factors like age, health, and activity levels, among other things. Sleep tracking apps like Pillow track your sleep stages, providing personalized insights and helpful trends to improve your sleep architecture. Drop a comment if you're excited to improve your sleep. And don't forget to like and follow for more health and wellness tips. Sweet dreams, everyone!